Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Stellenbosch 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KB.
Hola, Steve.
Fair coach?
Number one. Hey, Steve, before we get in the game, let's take the opportunity to congratulate Williams.
Why?
The accolades that he won in Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, remember he's the national team captain and he's also a Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
So congrats to him. Also, the coaching staff, because remember, as much as you're a player, but you're coached.
Yes.
So congrats to Williams and
Matonya and
the coaching staff.
For Williams.
Yeah, you see. So yeah, but let's get into the game, man.
Yes.
Let's start with the coach.
Yeah.
Miguel. Remember what I said last week, Jorge? Is Sundowns happy with the way he plays, or will they take results?
You did ask that.
Yeah, you see. So I'll still ask again. Because today, for me, well, you can say they didn't look convincing, but look at the team they played. You started the back, it's Onyango. When last did he play? You see.
Long time.
So it was you can call it a B team.
Yeah, Sundowns.
Yeah, Sundowns. But also the result itself, it shows you how much Sundowns is capable of winning the league.
True.
With any coach, I think even you can win the league. I think Sundowns players themselves, they can win the league.
I'm a coach.
Yeah, you can. Because if you look at how they played, you cannot say they were coached or what.
Yes.
You see? And for me, that's what a team that competes for the league
must do.
You see.
Yeah,
I think we had about 7 or 8 changes. You see. So well done to Onyango. He had very brilliant saves.
Yes.
Maybe 2 or 3, which Stellis could have scored. But yeah, he played well.
True.
Especially from someone who hasn't been playing
in a long time.
You go to Morena. Morena did what he usually does. There was nothing wow. But yeah. You go to Lunga, the man of the match, according to the Super Sport.
Yes.
I think he had a fair game, man. Stellis first half was sitting back. Because I looked at how they lined up. They lined up with 5 at the back. Umdaga was playing sort of a left wing, but whenever they lost the ball, he dropped. I think the idea was to stop Sundowns from attacking with their full backs.
Yes.
Yeah, you see. So it didn't really work for Stellis. So Ulunga, I guess, man of the match.
But you disagree?
Yeah, I'll tell you why. Let's try and break it down. You see. Then you go to the centre backs of Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't know if there's something called a young senior player. The lineup changed, but Khoza remained. It says something, Steve. It says something. If the boys trusted that much that we can change the 3 that you were playing with, and 4 plus the keeper, and leave you at your first season, it says a lot.
About your maturity.
It says a lot about that boy.
Coach.
You know, some players, man, we can say he's developing, but no. It's those players that when Spain comes, they say beat him, I'll say no ways. I never. You must look at his pass accuracy, Steve. 93. He lost only 2 balls.
Fair.
That's how much I watch him. That boy is special. And he breaks windows from the back. Look at his passing. Straight in the center. Very comfortable. A centre back that doesn't tackle. Steve.
Is that rare?
I always say if you see a centre back tackling, then you know that it's not a good centre back. Tackling should be the last option as a centre back. Because if you miss that tackle, then what happens? 1-on-1 with the keeper. Yeah. So if I start out talking about Khoza, I won't finish. Let's move on. Let's move on. You go to the centre, Steve. Well, Obatuz, I think Oba's played very well. Now and then when he's given opportunity, he really proves that he can actually do it. Yeah, he unfortunately is competing with South Africa's number 1 in that position, Umukwena.
Yes.
You can see that, Sundowns is missing Umukwena. But I feel Obas has played very well. The little magician came in, unfortunately had to come off because of an early sub, Umudiba, you know, I've said this, I don't think Mudiba is a left back, Umudiba is like your Marcelo. You can't judge Mudiba based on his defense.
Yes.
Because on his defense, he doesn't really do well. But on the ball, Mdiva gives you something.
He's nice.
On the ball, Mdiva is very special. I saw they played him in the center. Neo Maema came in. I didn't really see much of him. I don't know if it's a matter of they were two left footers. Remember, it's Mudiva, it's Neo. Yeah, didn't see much. Plus Ribeiro as well.
Yeah,
Having two.
Too.
Well, remember, if you're a left footer, you always, if you want to score goals, you always want to go where? On the right.
Yeah.
And on the right is occupied by Ribeiro.
Yes.
Which you cannot move him. So you guys end up having to go one side. You see, yeah. So maybe the balance was not very well. You see, Khoza, I was very impressed with him because he's a very pacey player. But I saw they played him on the left. I saw his first ball, he cut in and he lost it. And I was like, nah, I always take notes.
Yes.
I'm like, nah, they're playing him off. But as the game progressed, you could see, the boy's developing. There's coaching taking place on Khoza. He played well, man. You can see there's something special. There's a ball he could have scored with his insight. I think he did everything right. There's just that the ball didn't curl earlier.
Into the net.
Yeah, into the net. Reyners, you know the job of a striker is to score.
Yes.
That's all. That's what he does.
All the time.
All the time. Nothing special. No, give him a chance, punishes you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he missed the one-on-one, but after missing one-on-one, puts the ball in the back of the net.
Wapata.
Yeah, that's how you judge a striker. We can say first touch, you don't need a first touch. If you can score goals, why do you need a first touch?
Because wago.
Yeah, you don't need to dribble. If you can't dribble, as long as you put the ball in the back of the net, that's your primary job.
Scoring answers everything.
Scoring. So for me, just to summarize Sundowns, I think they played well, man. They played well. Football is not all. Remember I said, who said beautiful football means you must play tiki-taka? You must keep the ball now. And there's one element that I've seen in Sundowns, especially now.
Yeah.
When they get into the second line of attack,
yes,
they start playing sort of your loop passes. That's how they missed a whole lot of chances. Not that they were wrong,
yeah,
but because everyone is expecting a short pass, now the coach has introduced something different.
Loop,
yeah, like they chip it and then someone runs on it.
Okay.
You see, so you can see there's coaching taking place. As much as he doesn't want to change much, but he is adding something. You see, going on to jersey number 10, hey, that guy, world class. There's a goal he missed. Yes. That guy chipped the ball from the side. The keeper was beating.
Yeah.
It takes confidence to do that. Not everyone can do that.
Lucas Ribeiro.
Not everyone can do that.
So,
world class. World class. He might not be having his best games lately, but you can see
quality there.
That's what I'm telling you about that ball. There's a whole lot of balls that he passed, they missed. That ball alone. But yeah, still, well done to Sundowns and well done to the coach. Whether as to it's the right decision, he's the right coach for Sundowns, only time will tell. He has won 2 out of 2. His first league match, he's won it. So only time will tell, Steve. Yeah. Maybe in the long run, things will change and then we'll start questioning him. But for now, let's give him his flowers.
Yes.
Just to wrap it on to Stellis, I'm very disappointed, Steve. I don't know if the guy plans very well for Pirates or Pirates was sleeping. You look at how Stellis started. My guy, they never went to the game to win it. First half.
Yes.
Yeah. Jaden Adams. I don't know, man. I expected a whole match from him, especially heading to transfer window. You're thinking he wants to raise his hand so he can leave.
Yes.
But maybe fatigue, we don't know. Remember, they're playing Africa as well.
Sure, coach.
Maybe fatigue could have taken place in them because there were glimpses where you can see here and there where the boys are not themselves. But second half, I would give it to the coach.
Yeah.
The 3 subs he made with Abu Bans, Wokupido, they started putting Sundowns in 6s and 7s.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, they almost cracked.
Yes.
Yeah, almost cracked. But Umadala Onyango was there, you see.
Yeah.
So for me, my man of the match, I always say there are certain players, if you look at the game, you don't see them.
Yes.
But if you look at them, you see them.
Who was there today?
For me, Ubatuzi played very well. Ubas played very well. But because he's a Sundowns player, well, I would give it to Unduli, jersey number 8, Stellenbosch. Oh, what a player.
Nduli.
Jersey number 8, he plays right as a CDM. You know, Steve, it's very rare to get somebody who plays 3 touches in PSL lately. The boy.
It's a rare thing.
Yeah. You see, but that's me. That's me. Players are always hyped. It's easy to give an attacker man of the match. It's easy. A keeper, if he makes saves, it's easy. But you see your CDMs, keep your position, give security to your centre backs. For me, the boy played very well. So it would go between the two, Ubatuze and Unduli. That's me. So I'll close it like that. I'm just disappointed in how Stellenbosch played. But after all, they're playing Sundowns.
Yes.
They're playing the team that has won the league 7 times in a row. So yes, now and then there's a bit of respect you can see.
Yes.
Yeah, but I would have loved to see the Stellenbosch go into Sundowns, but maybe KF took over, you see. So I guess it is what it is. So congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns and the coach, Steve.
Thank you,
Let's close
coach.
it like that.
Thank you, coach. Yeah.